What if I told you a poor boy once challenged an empire and won? Today we journey back over 2300 years to explore the incredible life of Chandragupta Maurya, the founder of the mighty Maurya Empire and one of India's greatest empires. Chandragupta Maurya was born around 340 BCE in ancient India. His early life is shrouded in mystery. Some sources say he was born in a humble family, possibly of the Kshatriya or warrior caste. Others suggest he was raised by a poor herdsman. But what is certain, Chandragupta had extraordinary ambition and sharp intelligence. His life changed forever when he met Chanakya, a brilliant political statist and teacher at Takshila University. Chanakya saw greatness in Chandragupta and trained him in warfare, politics, and statecraft. Together, they formed a vision to overthrow the corrupt Nanda dynasty and united India. With Chanakya wisdom and Chandragupta courage, they began gathering support after years of planning, battles, and diplomacy. Chandragupta defeated King Dhanananda around 321 BCE and seized the throne of Magadha. The Mauryan Empire was born, and so was a new chapter in Indian history. After Alexander the Great's death in 323 BCE, his empire fell into chaos. Chandragupta took his opportunity and captured northwestern India from Alexander's successors. In a historic treaty with the Greek general Seleucus I, Chandragupta not only gained land, including parts of present day Afghanistan, but also received 500 war elephant in return. Chandragupta Empire stretched from the Bay of Bengal to the border of Persia, making it one of the largest empires in Indian history. He ruled with a centralized government, an efficient spy system, a powerful army, and a strong economic policy, all laid out in Chanakya Ardhashastra, one of the oldest political science book in the world. In his later years, Chandragupta gave up his throne to his son Bindusara and embraced Jainism, a religion of peace and non-violence. He moved to southern India near Shravanbelagola, where he spent his final year in meditation and renunciation. He is believed to have died around 297 BCE. Chandragupta Maurya was more than a conqueror. He was a visionary leader who laid the foundation for a united Indian empire. His grandson Ashoka the Great would later take this legacy even further. Even today, Chandragupta is remembered as a symbol of courage, leadership, and transformation. From a boy with nothing to an empire with everything, Chandragupta Maurya life proved that vision, mentorship, and determination can change history. What do you think of his journey? Let us know in the comment, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more historical story from around the world.